Hi everyone, in front of me is Motorola Edge 20 and let me share with you how to add a photo to a contact in this device. So first of all, let's open your contact list and find the contact you would like to edit and tap on it. Now let's tap on Edit Contact and tap on the camera icon right in the middle. And as you can see here, we've got two different options from which we can choose, so we can either take a photo and then your device will open the camera app. So this is the best option to choose if you've got the person right in front of you, or you can choose a photo from the gallery. So I will pick this option, and right now we have to find the photo we would like to set and tap on it. Let's tap on OK, and as you can see from this level, we can adjust the size of this square and the position of the photo. What's more, we can zoom in or out, and thanks to this we can decide what we will see after saving the whole contact, because this area is responsible for it. You can also rotate the picture if you want to, it's really up to you, and if you are happy with the results, just tap on done here. Remember to tap on save in the right upper corner, it's very important. And as you can see, the photo has been immediately applied to the contact. After getting back to the contact list, you can also see it here, and you will be also able to see it whilst all incoming calls from that number. So actually this is it. This is how to add a photo to a contact in your Motorola Edge 20. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.